A parking lot hit and run can easily cost you over $1,000. And without video evidence, proving fault usually turns into your word against theirs. So I spent weeks digging through lab results from TechRadar, PC World, Digital Camera World, and Dashcam Talk to find the 6 dash cams that actually earn their price in 2026. Here's what shocked me. The camera at number 1 records evidence so sharp that independent testers named it the best video quality on the market. And one budget pick under $120 uses the same sensor family as flagships, costing 3 times more. I will also expose one wildly popular dash cam you should think twice about, plus one secret tip that prevents a costly mistake. Product links are in the description. Starting at number 6, the Viofo A119 Mini 2. And this is the budget pick I mentioned in the beginning. At around $119, this little camera carries the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX6 75 sensor, the exact same sensor family found in flagship cameras, costing $400 and up. That is not marketing talk. Blackbox MyCar's comparison testing found it captures sharper, clearer footage with noticeably better night performance than the legendary A119 V3, and Dashcam Talk scored its daytime video an outstanding 9 out of 10. You get true 2K recording with a 60 frames per second option, and that matters. At highway speed, the higher frame rate captures fast-moving traffic more cleanly, which improves your odds of reading a plate. A 1.5-inch LCD screen handles quick adjustments and playback, plus built-in GPS, dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, HDR, buffered parking mode, and a supercapacitor instead of a battery. So it handles brutal summer heat far better than battery-based rivals. Real-world honesty, though, this is a single-channel, front-only camera. A rear camera cannot be added, no memory card comes in the box, and the hardwire kit for parking mode is sold separately. If you drive for Uber or worry about rear-end collisions, keep watching. But if you want one tiny camera that hides behind your mirror, records clean footage day and night, and costs less than a typical insurance deductible, this is very hard to beat. For retirees and first-time buyers who want simple and reliable, this is the answer. At number 5, the 70mm A810 2-channel kit, and this is where value gets serious. TechRadar called this camera incredible bang for buck, and PC World separately rated its front footage as excellent under all lighting conditions, rare praise from a lab that tests dozens of cameras yearly. Depending on the bundle, you are paying roughly $150 to $200 for a true 4K front camera, plus a 1080p rear camera. The front camera is the star. Its 4K sensor handles harsh transitions, like exiting a dark parking garage into blinding sunlight, without blowing out the image, exactly the moment cheap cameras fail you. You also get GPS logging, so every clip carries speed and location data, hard numbers for your side of the story, plus a 3-inch screen for adjusting the view without touching your phone. Now, the honest downside. Straight from PC World's testing, the 1080p rear camera struggles at night and cannot match the front unit. If most of your worry is what happens behind you after dark, spend more and keep watching. But here's why this camera lands at number 5 anyway. For the average commuter, the road ahead is where the drama usually unfolds, and no camera near this price records the front this well while still giving you basic rear coverage. If you shop online, watch for coupon pricing, because this model regularly drops below its list price on Amazon. And at those numbers, it is almost unfair to the competition. Number 4 is built for one specific driver, and if that driver is you, nothing else on this list will do. The Vantrue Nexus 5S is a 4-channel system at $399 that records the road ahead, the road behind, and both rows of your cabin simultaneously. Every single one of those 4 cameras uses STARVIS 2 sensors, and the interior cameras have infrared LEDs that record faces clearly in total darkness. Digital Camera World's testing confirmed it performs well and offers decent value, their conclusion. If you regularly drive rideshare, this is the one to get. Here's the reality for Uber and Lyft drivers. A false accusation from a passenger can end your account overnight, and clear interior footage is the strongest defense you can have. The Nexus 5S records passengers in both rows, in the dark, with timestamps and GPS data attached. It also supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, has 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast clip downloads, and offers an optional LTE module for remote monitoring while parked. New Atlas's reviewer noted that GPS-verified speed data from his Vantrue footage once saved him from a $250 ticket, proof this data holds up under scrutiny. The honest catch: with all 4 cameras running, storage fills fast, and the standard package ships without a memory card, so budget extra for a large, high-endurance card unless you pick a bundle that includes one. And if you never carry passengers, a 2-channel setup gives you better front and rear resolution for the same money. This is a specialist tool, and for its specialty, reviewers agree it leads the pack. At number 3, the Thinkware U3000 Pro, and this one does something no other camera on this list can do. It has radar built into both the front and rear cameras. While your car sits parked, that radar quietly monitors up to 5 meters around your vehicle using very little power, and the moment someone approaches, the camera wakes up and starts recording before anything even happens. Digital Camera World tested it in early 2026 and highlighted radar as the feature that changes parking protection completely, since our cars spend over 90% of their lives parked and unwatched. Video quality is flagship grade. True 4K front with HDR using the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, 2K rear, and Thinkware's Super Night Vision processing. US packages typically include the hardwiring or OBD2 cable that most brands charge extra for. There is also optional LTE connectivity that can send impact alerts straight to your phone, and through Thinkware's connected service, a severe crash can trigger an emergency message to your registered contact. Just know those remote features require the extra LTE module, around $150, plus a data plan. Now the price, because it matters, typically listed between $500 and $550 depending on the retailer. This is the most expensive camera here. There is no screen, so everything runs through the app. So who should pay this much? Anyone who parks on the street, in apartment complexes, or in city garages where door dings and hit and runs are a monthly reality. For those drivers, this is not just a camera. It is a security system, and it earns every dollar. Number 2, surprised reviewers across the board. The 70-mic T800 is the first 3-channel dash cam recording true 4K on both the front and rear cameras at the same time, with a 1080p interior camera included. Nothing else on this list does that. Most premium systems give you 4K front and drop the rear to 2K or 1080p. The T800 refuses to compromise, and both 4K cameras run Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors with HDR. T3's testing placed it alongside the best dash cams on the market and praised how simple the setup is, while the Gadgeteer confirmed the 4K footage from both ends of the car is genuinely great. Why does 4K in the rear matter? Because the car that hits you from behind and drives off is the one whose plate you need most, and lower resolution rear cameras routinely struggle with that exact shot at night. The package can be generous too. The full bundle reviewed by CarPlay Life included a 512 GB memory card, a cable tucking tool, electrostatic stickers, and the main unit has a 3-inch color display, though contents vary by listing, so check yours. Optional extras include 4G remote monitoring and a battery pack for parking surveillance without draining your car battery. Honest downsides: it is a physically large unit, so it is noticeable in your cabin, and at $339 on 70mi's official store, rising toward $400 at full list price, it is a real investment. But dollar for dollar, no system on this list records more of your surroundings at higher quality. For families, road trippers, and anyone who wants maximum evidence from every angle, this is the value king of the premium tier. Before number 1, here's the camera I promised to talk about. The original Rove R2 4K, one of the best-selling dash cams in America. Here's the issue raised in communities like Dash Cam Talk. Its 4K output is widely reported to be interpolated, meaning software upscales a lower resolution image rather than capturing native 4K detail. Footage that looks fine on the box can turn soft exactly when you need a license plate at night. To be fair, Rove has newer models, so this applies to the original unit. Either way, the lesson stands. Marketing resolution and sensor reality are two different things, and a native 2K camera with a modern sensor can beat a stretched 4K label. And at number 1, the Viofo A329S 2-channel. The Camera Dashboard Camera Reviews, one of the most respected independent testing sites in this industry, flatly named the dash cam with the best video quality available. Here's what you're getting for roughly $400 to $450 depending on bundle and retailer. A true 4K front camera with 2 modes, silky 4K at 60 frames per second for fast motion, or 4K at 30 frames with HDR for tough lighting. No other flagship 2-channel system here offers that 60 frame option. It pairs with a 2K HDR rear camera, and both run Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, the IMX678 up front and IMX675 in the rear. Verified owner reviews consistently praise the low-light clarity those sensors produce, and a CPL glare filter comes included in the box, which most brands sell separately for $20 to $30. Then there are 2 features nothing else here offers. First, Wi-Fi 6, which Viofo rates at roughly 3 times the transfer speed of older Wi-Fi 5 cameras, so big 4K files land on your phone in seconds. Second, external SSD support up to 4 terabytes, an industry first, which Viofo says can hold over 3 weeks of continuous footage instead of hours. Add 5 parking modes, voice control, GPS, a supercapacitor built for temperature extremes, and an 18-month warranty. The only real criticisms from reviewers are the lack of cloud connectivity and an occasionally finicky app. If neither bothers you, this is simply the finest evidence-gathering machine you can mount on a windshield in 2026. Now the secret tip I promised, and it is the mistake I see constantly. People spend $400 on a camera, then feed it a cheap standard microSD card. Regular cards are not designed for constant 24/7 rewriting, and they can wear out and corrupt footage far sooner than you expect. So the day you need evidence, the file may be broken. Buy a high-endurance card from a brand like Samsung or SanDisk and format it inside the camera regularly, as most manufacturers recommend. That small difference can decide whether your footage exists. So here's the bottom line. Tight budget, front only, grab the A119 Mini 2. Best value with rear coverage, the 70mm A810. Rideshare driver, the Nexus 5S. Street Parker, the Thinkware U3000 Pro. Maximum coverage, the T800. And if you simply want the best footage money can buy, the Viofo A329S is my 2026 champion. Every camera, including current deals, is linked in the description below. If this saved you hours of research, subscribe. Drive safe.